me somebody.
Hi, my name is Bethany,
Hi, my name is Sophia.
and in our unit of inquiry, we've been learning about myths and mythical creatures.
And in technology class, we've been making our own mythical creatures on Photoshop.
And today we're going to show you how to make your own.
So now you are in Photoshop. So now you go to File, Open, and I'm going to just find a picture of my head so I can cut it off. And here it is. And then I go to the quick selection tool. I click on it and I press the plus up here. I can choose how big I want it to be. And then I just start cutting it. And if you start on the nose, you can see that there's little marching ants, as we call it. And you just keep dragging and dragging. And you can see it gets even bigger, and it's surrounding my head. Uh-oh, I just got a bit of my color. But that's okay because you can go to the minus quick selection tool and just try and just get rid of it. And now you see I've got my head. And now I go to File, Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste. And now I turn off my background, and now my head.
Alright, so now I'm going to turn Sophia's head into a mythical creature. So we're going to go to File, Open. And right here, I've saved in my mythical creature folder, I have a griffin. And I'm going to open that. So here we have the griffin. And I'm going to make sure I'm on my quick selection tool, which I am. So I have my plus button. So now I'm going to make my brush a little bit bigger since it's a little too small right now. So about that size, about 30. So now we're going to start cutting out. Alright, so now since we have the wings, since it's a little pointy up there, we're going to decrease the size so we can get in the smaller parts of the wings. Alright, so now that we've got the wings cut out, I'm just going to drag it up a little bit. Alright, so now that we've got the wings cut out, we're going to go to Edit, Copy, and since we need to go back to the head, we go to Window, and then this file right here, which is the head. And then we go to Edit, Paste. And as you can see, the griffin wings are way too small, so we have to go to Edit, Transform, Scale. And then we have to press down the shift so it doesn't get too wonky. So we're just going to increase the size a little bit. Okay, and now since the griffin wings are on top of Sophia's head, we're going to take the layer 1 and drag it up. But first we have to press the check mark, so it's okay. And then we just drag the layer 1 up. Okay, and then we choose the grab tool, and we grab Sophia's head and move it. And now we're going to go click on this layer, and we're going to grab it and move it.
Okay, so now I go to File, Open, and I'm going to find my horse picture. And so I go to the quick selection tool, make sure it's on the plus, get it a bit bigger. Now I go to Edit, Copy, and now I go to Window and my head, and now I go to Edit, Paste. But it's not in the right direction. So I click on it and make sure it's there, and I go to Edit, Transform, and Flip Horizontal. But I need to make it a bit bigger. So again, I go to Edit, Transform, and Scale. So I click the check mark, and now I put layer 2 over layer 3. And so I'll put layer 1 over layer 2. And because you can still see a bit of the horse, I am going to make the griffin body a bit bigger. And there we go. And so, here's my mythical creature. Part Sophia, part bunny, part griffin, and part horse.
And this is another idea of a mythical creature that I made. It's part dog, part bunny, and part dragon, and part me, Bethany. So that's how you make a mythical creature.
Now it's time for you to make your own mythical creature.
Help me, somebody.